The health benefits of Punarnava powder, also known as spreading hogweed. 1. Punarnava powder comes from a flowering plant in the 4 o'clock family. This has been used to make a herbal medicine used for pain relief and more. 2. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of healing, used Punarnava for thousands of years. 3. It grows in many warm climates around the world, including Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, South America, the South Pacific, and North America. 4. This powder can be used internally to purify the body and treat various problems. 5. One of its main benefits is to improve the function of the kidneys for those with kidney problems. This also acts as a blood thinner for those with high blood pressure. 6. It provides treatment for inflammation throughout the body, such as painful joints, toothache, and water retention. 7. Punarnava has been used to stimulate the nervous system during the early onset of paralysis. 8. It aids in the smooth flow of urine for those with urinary tract problems. It also has been shown to prevent the formation of kidney stones. 9. This herb also acts as a liver cleanser and helps to treat disorders such as hepatitis, jaundice, anemia, and anorexia. 10. Recent studies have shown this to improve immune response for cancer patients. It contains compounds from the root of the plant which inhibits the growth of certain cancer cells. 11. The cleansing effects of this powder allow it to fight obesity and aid in weight loss. Becoming healthy internally usually results in a healthy amount of weight loss for your body type. 12. Extracts from the leaves of this plant have been used to lower glucose levels for those with diabetes. 13. The roots of the plant are usually used to make this wonderful powder. You can also purchase Punarnava extract from health food stores and online. 14. A paste made from this powder is often applied to skin diseases such as acne, eczema, and pigmentation in order to clear them up effectively. 15. Always consult a doctor and perform your own research when using Ayurvedic herbs, as many are extremely powerful. 16. To learn more about health powders and natural medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.